The LM40 is set for direct Pythagoras measurement. It's set for inches, and as you see, there's the blinking top angle of the triangle. According to the instruction sheet, that is now set for direct Pythagoras. So now, if I hit the red button, that'll activate the laser. It should be at the top edge of the doorway. Okay, and visually I see that it is. I hit the button one more time. Now it takes a measurement. Now the indicator here is showing a blinking bottom leg of the triangle. Let's go ahead and grab the tilt adapter and we'll bring the laser beam down. Okay, and let's look at the bubble level. Let's make sure the bubble is precisely in the middle. That means it's at 90 degrees. So how are we at? Okay, so looks like it's 90 degrees. It's perfectly in the middle. So let's go ahead and hit the red button. Okay, and let's hit the button again. And we're showing a reading of 41 5/16. 41 5/16. So let's activate the laser again so we get the dot on the wall. So what are we measuring here? 41 5/16 is supposed to be. So 41 and 1, 2, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/16. So looks like it's correct. Let's double check here. It's 41, half, quarter. Turn the laser back on. Okay, so 41 5/16. Okay, so 41 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5/16, 6. Yeah. So 41 5/16. So pretty accurate.